Have you ever wondered what challenges doctors face behind the white coat and the stethoscope? The life of a doctor is often seen as prestigious and rewarding, but what about the struggles that are hidden away from the public's eye? Dr. Kalpana Sharma, a seasoned medical professional, opens up about the struggles she faces daily. Being a doctor is like walking on a tightrope. On one hand, we carry the weight of our patients' lives. On the other, we grapple with the constant need to stay updated with the ever-evolving medical field. It's a battle of balancing personal life and professional responsibilities. From the operating room to the family dinner table, doctors carry their work with them. Dr. John Anderson, a general practitioner, attests to this. He says, "Our work doesn't end when we leave the hospital. We carry the emotional burden of our patients' illnesses and their outcomes. It's a constant mental toll that never quite subsides. And it's not just the emotional strain. Physical exhaustion is a reality too." Dr. Maria Gonzalez, a pediatrician, shares, "The long hours take a toll on our bodies. It's not uncommon for us to work more than 12 hours a day, often without breaks. It's physically demanding, and it impacts our personal lives." But perhaps one of the most significant challenges doctors face is the constant pressure of making life-altering decisions. Dr. Samuel Lee, a neurosurgeon, explains, "Every decision we make can have a profound impact on someone's life. The pressure is immense. It's like carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders." In the midst of these struggles, doctors often find themselves grappling with a lack of public understanding and appreciation. Dr. Emily Walker, a psychiatrist, laments, "Despite our best efforts, there's often a lack of understanding about what we do. People don't see the sacrifices we make, the sleepless nights, the missed family events. They just see the end result." In conclusion, the life of a doctor is far from easy. Behind the white coat and the stethoscope lie countless struggles, both seen and unseen. From the constant pressure of making life-altering decisions to the physical toll of long hours, doctors carry a heavy burden. Yet despite these challenges, they continue to serve, to heal, and to care. They remain the unsung heroes of our society, selflessly dedicating their lives to the service of others.